Hi, dear students. Last class we discussed about the uh, non-primitive data structure operations. You know the non-primitive data structure operation. There are 5 operations. Okay, already you know. Then that is first one is traversing. Second one is searching. Okay, in searching you know 2 algorithms: linear search and binary search. Okay, then you know the insertion algorithm, deletion algorithm. Okay, then insertion sort algorithm. Totally you have 6 algorithms. Okay, every year in the examination 10 marks question will be asked on these algorithms. If you perfect 6 algorithms, definitely you are getting 2 algorithms in annual exams. Okay, already you know the result also. This year result, this year also in computer science we are getting out result. Okay, that and from you also I am expecting that. Okay, you have to study well. Okay, you have to practice algorithms daily. You have to practice the algorithms. Okay, this will be easy for your annual exams. Okay, now only you have free. Okay, now only you have to practice these algorithms. Okay, 3 to 4 times you have to listen the videos. Okay, you can understand very easily. Okay, this is your remember. Okay, then last class we discussed about these operations. Okay, and also in examination the twist ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ write explain the operations on array. Explain the operations on array means nothing but these only: traversing, searching, sorting, okay, insertion, deletion. Got it? Okay, these operations, you know, these all are operations on a 1D array. 1D array. Okay, this is what remember. Okay, now see, now this is all about now last videos we have to discuss about the all about the 1-dimensional array. These are all algorithms on 1-dimensional array. Okay, 1D array. Now today you want to discuss about the memory representation of a 2D array. Okay, memory representation of 2D array. See, what is, you know already in last year, what is 2D array? 2D array means what? 2D array means how it is. 2D array always it has a 2 subscript. Okay, see, what is 2D array? This is a 2D array. 2D array means what? It is a collection of elements which has same name, same data type, and having a 2 subscript. It is having a 2 subscript. Okay, this is you have to remember. That's why it is a 2-dimensional array. 2-dimensional array. How many elements in a 1-dimensional array? This is a of 5 means it is 1-dimensional array. A of 2, 3 means it is a 2-dimensional array. Okay, in this 1-dimensional array, how many elements you can store? Up to 5 elements you can store. But in a 2-dimensional array, here how many elements you can store? 2 into 3, how much? 6 elements you can store. Okay, for example, I am writing 2 into 2 means 4 elements you can store. Okay, 4 elements you can store. Okay, this is your, that is a 1-dimensional array. Okay, what is 1-dimensional array? There is so many times also these questions also asked in exam. Okay, then you know the already you know about the, see, in this 2-dimensional array, it means A means it is array name. This means this is a row size. This is 2 means it is a row size. Then 3 means it is a column size. Okay, column size. Got it? This is you have to remember. Then how to write this 2, 3? See, in this array we have a 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay, 2 rows, 3 columns. Okay, this is you have to remember. I am writing. Okay, how to write a memory representation of a 2D array. Memory representation of 2D array for this A of 2, 3. A of 2, 3. 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ rows, 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ columns. See, 2 rows ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ. This is 2 elements. A of 0, A of 1. 2 rows, then 3 columns. 3 columns andre 3 A of always A of 1, 2. Okay, A of 0, 1, 2. 3 columns, 2 rows. 2 rows. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, this is a 2 3. How many elements you can store? Up to 2 into 3, 6 elements you can store in a 2D array. Got it? Then in a memory representation of 2D array can be you have two methods to representation of memory representation of 2D array. If you want to find the address of 2D array, we have two methods. One is a row measure order method. Second one is a column measure order method. Okay, there are two methods. Then you know already in the last videos how to represent the how to find the address of 1D array. How to find the address of 1D array? How to find the address of one location of a of I equal to base A plus W into I minus LB. You know this is a formula for to find the address of 1D array. To find the address of 1D array, you have to write this formula. Okay. Then how to find the address of 2D array? 2D array. What is address? Address ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? See, for example, ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. For example, I am typing A. Okay, this A can be stored in one address, but we cannot see in computer. But every time whatever you type, okay, that for that character one address will be created. Then how to find this address? We have a formulas. Okay, we have two formulas to find the addresses. Okay, this is you have to remember, that is called address. Okay, always you have to remember, always in a 2D array, always it has a row size and it has a column size. Okay, this is you have to remember. Then you have to remember n means rows, m means columns. Okay, then this is what 2 3. Okay, then how to find the memory representation of 2D array? Memory representation of 2D array, you can if you want formula means that is from two methods. Okay, there are two methods to find the address of 2D array. Okay, the first method is a row measure order. Row measure order means what? Row measure order means in this the first rows occupies the first rows of array occupies the first set of memory location. First row of array ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಪ್ಪ? 1 2 3. This is the first row of array. The 1 2 3. This is first row of array. It occupies the first set of memory location. This is the first set 1. This is the row measure order. Always in the row measure order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, in a of 0 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ a of 0 1, a of 0 1, a of 0 2. First set. Then for example ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ see a b c d e f here ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಬಿ ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿ ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಎ. ನಾನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ABCD ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ಬಿ ಯಾವ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ರೋ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಎ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇ ಎಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ಅ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇನ್ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ. In A of 0, A will be stored in the address 1001. Okay, this is address, whatever you can take. Otherwise you can take 666. Next address ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ 667 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ array means continuous memory location. Okay, then b ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ a01, c ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಯ್ತು a of 02. c will be stored in location a of 02 at address 1003. In examination ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, how to find, write a formula to find the address of row major order. Row major order in 2D array. Row major order in a 2D array. Okay, so okay, ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ exam see how to find. This is the formula. This is the formula to find the address of row major order. Row major order, you have to find the location of ij equal to base address plus w into m into I plus j. Okay, this is the formula for to find the address of a 2D array in a row major order. Okay, in examination, see, in this I and j are the what? I and j, in this formula I and j are the indexes of array. For example, 2 and 3. 2 means I, 3 means j. Okay, next, what is base address? Base address means the first address of array. First address, which is the first address? First address of array. First address is 1001. Here also first address is 101. First 1001. This is the first address of array. Base address means in examination midterm ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, what is base address? Base address means the first address of the array is called a base address. Then what is w? W means, what is w? W means number of words. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? only one word, that is 1 ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನೀವು 1 ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay, 1 word. Next location ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. For example, if you have 2 words, you can put 2. Okay, then m, what is m? M means what? M means, here I am writing, m means column size. Okay, m means nothing but column size, or ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ column size. Then n means row size. Okay, in examination they are given on the one example, one problem. Okay, how they are given problem? See, first they are given 2 into 3 matrix. They are given a 2 into 3 matrix. 2 into 3 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 6 columns. You can store a 6 element. They are given 2 into 3 matrix. Find the address of a of 1 2. Find the address of a of 1 2, and also they are given a base address. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Base address is 1001. Sorry, base address is, you can write a base address. They are given base address also 1001. Okay, 1001. Okay, then put a formula. Put this. See, location. Find the address of location. ಯಾವ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ? a of 1 2 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. For example, location of a ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Location of a of 1 then 2. Location of a of 1 2 ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. Location, then base address ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? base address ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? base address is 1001. ಅವನೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ base address. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. base address is 1001 plus word length ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to take one character. Word length means number of words means take 1. Then m means what? M means na ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲಿ column, number of columns. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ matrix ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? 2 into 3. In this 2 is a row size, 3 is a column size. Okay, 3 is a column size. Okay, now m ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Okay, m means column size means ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 3 ಇದೆ into. Okay, I means indexes. Index ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? I 1 plus j. J means how much here? J is totally j ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 2 indexes. Then calculate this. How much we are getting? 1001 plus how much? 3 into 2 5 equal to 1006. See, A of 1 2 location. Okay, this is the 1006 is the address of the location 1 A of 1 2. See, for example, A of 1 2 nodri, A of 1 2 address ಏನಿದೆ 1006. A of 1 2 address ಏನಿದೆ 1006. You are getting also same answer. Okay, this is what how to find the address of address of 2D array in row measure order. Okay, like these problems ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ರೋಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ A of 1 2. A of 1 2 the address ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 1006. Okay, 1006. For example, it means what means ಈಗ f ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, f it is stored in the location A of 1 2, but ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ಅದರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ 1006. Got it? This is you have to remember. This is how to find the address of A of 1 2. Okay, this is you have to remember. The next one is a column measure order. What is how to find the column measure? How to find the address of 2D array in column measure order? Column measure order. See, this is the formula to find the address of column measure order. Location of I is equal to base address plus W into N into J plus I. N into J plus I. This is the column measure order. Okay, this is the formula for to find the address of 2D array in a column measure order. Okay, column measure order alli hengirutte? See, column measure order, this is the diagram for column measure order. Column measure order alli elements na ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನು A B C ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. A B C ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? A ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, B ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ದೆನ್ C ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ A ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, B ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But B will be stored here because it is column measure order. B will be stored here. Then C will store agutte. C will be stored here. D will be stored here. Okay, E will be stored here. F will be stored here. Okay, like this in a column measure order. But in a row measure order alli first A B C D E F store ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. But column measure order ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ column. Okay, you have 3 columns. Okay, 3 columns ಅಲ್ಲಿ first A, B, C, D, E, F ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then I want to find the location of here also. I want to find the location of 1 2. Find the location of 1 2. Okay, I find the location of 1 2. Find the address of A of 1 2. A of 1 2 the address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, A of 1 2 the address ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, 1 2. Okay, otherwise I want to find the address of A of 0 2. A of 0 2. I want to find the address of A of 0 2. So for example ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 2 into 3 ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. For example, location of A of ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ? 0. Then J ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. equal to ಬೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ 1000 ಬೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ 1001 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ n means ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ n means what n means nothing but rows number of rows ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is row this is column row ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ then into j means how much here j means 2 plus I means how much 0 okay equal to 1 plus 1 into 4 how much you are getting 1005 this is how to find the memory address of 2D array 1005 okay 1005 see for example a of 02 see e will be stored in a of 02 at the address 1005 okay this is you have to remember this is a memory representation of 2D array okay 1D array formula nodri nim examination alli 1 marks question ondsala kelidane write a formula for to find the address of 1D array find the address of 1D array keladaga onde subscript irutte adu henge formula location of a of I equal to base address plus w into I minus lb that is the address of 1D array in examination they will ask you explain the memory representation of 2D array ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು see 2D array in row measure order ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ okay row measure order 3 marks ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ row measure order ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ just you have to put this diagram okay you have to see ಅದು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ first of all you have to put this diagram okay this is row measure order okay row measure order then you have to put a formula for row measure order don't write these problems okay just only you have to write a formula okay means what row measure order and column measure order what is the difference how the character will be stored in row measure order the character will be stored in a row wise ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಇನ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ column wise okay this is you have to remember it's very easy concept okay but you have to remember two formulas okay this is a row measure order formula this is nothing but a column measure order formula okay this is you have to remember this is a memory representation of a 2D array okay already 5 to 6 times okay in every examination I will ask this question for 3 marks and also for 5 marks also in preparatory exam so many times this question will be asked for 5 marks means you have to write both you have to explain both row measure order column measure order okay but in one dimension array you have only one formula why means you have only one subscript in a one dimension array but you have here two formulas why means why you have two formula because you have two subscript that's why you have a row and a column ರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೋ ಮೇಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2D array in row measure order this is the formula for column measure order okay this is you have to remember this is the memory representation of a 2D array okay and also they are given a problem also already ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಾಟಾನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ okay you have to find out the result okay ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇವೇ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇವೇ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು 1 2 ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆ ಒಂದು ಎಂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಅದು ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ರೋ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದು ರೋ ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಎಂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಓಕೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಎಂ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಜೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಜೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 ಓಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ 1001 ಬದಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ 100 ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ 100 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 100 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓಕೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ 2 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ ಅದರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. Okay, how to find. Okay, this is what this is about memory representation of 2D array. Okay, memory representation of 2D array in row column size ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ನಂದ್ರೆ you have to write ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. See, first of all you have to write a definition of a column measure order. In column measure order the character will be stored in a column wise. Okay, then you have to write this diagram ಬರೀರಿ. ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರೆದು ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ದೆನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಟೂ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರೋ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಆಫ್ 0 0 ಇದೆ, ಬಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 1 0 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರೋ ಮೆಜರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. Okay, this is what this is about, a memory representation of 2D array. Okay, if you have any doubts you can send me message. Okay, this is about a memory. I will send notes. You have to write a notes, please. You have to write notes, and please you have to work on algorithms, especially in this chapter. The algorithms are very 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 important. Okay, you take just if you have any question paper, you have to see. Okay, every time they are asked algorithms. Okay, you have only 6 algorithms. You have to practice these 6 algorithms. Okay, this is what this is about about 2D array. Okay, thank you.